Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is finally time. We're at HTP and engine's going back together, so we'll get some footage of that and slot it back in the car and get back to it. So we've got road trip drag challenge coming up next weekend, so out at Warwick Dragway. So if you're floating around, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Warwick Dragway last weekend in March. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share your favourite video, or if you want, hype up the video and yeah, help a brother out. Don't forget guys, I've got merch available, $50 a shirt, $10 postage, anywhere in Australia through myself, or you can jump over on the Menace Clothing website and purchase there, or you can also, like, just if you're at an event and the Menace trailer is there, you can just buy them directly from there. Anyway, shout out to High Talk for letting me film this, and we'll get to it. Cheers. What's going on over here, Steve?
Just cleaning up some stuff.
Oh, the fun part of it all.
Yeah.
Hey, you'd think someone would have done that for you already.
I know. Yeah, I mean, like, come on, man.
Dropping the ball, Mr. Adrian, I'll tell you. Cleaning's definitely a part of my pay grade, especially assembly cleaning. So pretty handy down here. Massive big parts washer. So that's pretty good. Helps the process along.
we go. Heads back on. She's 90% assembled. Just got to put the rocker gear and so on and so forth back on. Starting her up. Another day in the life for Steve engine building. Hey?
Correct.
Loving life.
Don't know, loving it.
Just get it done, mate. Don't have to love it, just get it done. Oh, it's going to be good to have the old girl back. So yeah, rod and piston, 5.7, was it 5 thou over?
Yeah.
5 thou over. Should be good. It's got a stud kit through the bottom now and Johnson lifters. We used a couple of things I had left over from the old engine build rather than them just sitting there doing nothing. And baffle in there this time, so hopefully no oil surge. We did find that my pickup had a bit of a kink to it, so that probably didn't help. So yes, we're getting closer by the day, closer by the hour. Happy days. Hopefully we can make it for Drag Challenge road trip in not this weekend, but next weekend's time. Should be awesome. Now we're putting the music back on because it's bloody quiet in here without it.
Much later.
Here we go. Dell's been in all morning, smashing out the install. So she's not too far off being ready to fire. I'm changing up the radiator support, so swapping that down a little bit and across so we can get the new fan on at some stage. Gone to a Proform brushless fan. Yeah, manifolds come up really good. The coating on them looks sick, so hopefully that helps out with the temperature. Put some new covers on because my old covers have flattened on one side, so they've seen their day. See how that new wrap goes. New seal in the water pump. Slowly get all that silicone off, but oh well, it doesn't really matter. You can't see it too much once everything's in there. Keen to hear it run. Stop. Fuck. Injectors now. Or
One the other. Looks like from the right over.
oh no, that bearings just popped him. Just popped him. I'll just double check that back boot as well. Adrian didn't tighten up the rear hoses. Which is always a good thing. You know, just gotta siphon through the old fuel. That's all I'm doing there. Jobs, you're in charge of the fuel system, mate. What are you doing? Letting the team down. that radiator lowered a bit, making it look all sweet. How's that welding, Jobs? You happy with that? A little bit more room up there now. Drop that radiator down a bit. Bit more clearance on the fan. New fan in there. Eventually I want to put a new shroud on there with a bit of a gap, bit of volume behind it. But we'll see how that works for now. In there slowly but surely. Not too noticeable from front. Nothing better when you get to drive your car home. Hey, Jobs. Go and do some Ks on it. Put a bit of load on her. She certainly needs a bath, but she's rolling again. Massive shout out to Dal for helping me out in his own time. So always very, very much appreciated. Hey Joby. First stop, car wash. Hey Joby Kill. Over a quick tub, Jobs. Hey? Quick rinse off, my girl. You're not impressed, are ya? Time to do some Ks. Well, go and drop Jobs off first. She's not a big fan of the H anymore. Hey, Papa, she's a bit noisy for you these days. Happy days though. Oh, feels so good to be behind the wheel again. Oh, even if we're on low boost, just to, you know, bed it all in, do all that sort of fun stuff. But yeah, anyway, we'll go put some Ks on her and back on the dyno through the week maybe.
gates open than Joe's. Hey, we made it. Successful little drive home.
What, are you going to eat your foot? You going to eat your foot, Papa? So she's back home. That was a successful drive. Certainly running a little bit cooler at the moment, although the weather's not so bad. Seen a top of 94 degrees and then worked its way back down to 90. A couple of little hits and it went back up to 92. But I think we might have the boost controller around the wrong way or a line off, because I did overboost on the first time I gave it a hit, and the second time a little bit over, but not too bad. But yeah, I paid attention the third time and just kept it at £5, which is where Dale wants to load at. So happy days. So do some Ks, like I said, and then back on the dyno through the week. Some bigger injectors, and we'll wind her up a little bit. Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.